If you've made a payment through WhatsApp and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and navigate to the chat where the payment was made. Step 2. Locate the payment. Scroll through the chat to find a message that confirms the payment transaction. This will typically include details such as the amount and the recipient. Step 3. Contact the recipient. Reach out to the person or business you send the payment to. Politely explain the reason for your refund request and ask if they can initiate the refund process. Step 4. Use the payment feature. If the recipient agrees, they can use the payment feature in WhatsApp to send the refund. They will need to follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Step 5. Check your account. After the recipient has processed their refund, check your bank account or payment method linked to WhatsApp to confirm that the funds have been returned. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance.